Hey guys, it's Damian. I'm back with another one. In today's video, we will be reviewing and unboxing these AirPod Pro Max 2s with USB-C from DHGate. So these AirPods come in this box just to go through customs, and on the side it will show the color that you got. But once you take it out, you are greeted with the packaging of the AirPod Max. And a few key details, like on the top you have the Apple logo, and over to the back of the box as well you do have the AirPod Max with the smart case, and also to the under you would have the serial number of the AirPod Maxes. And the packaging of these is actually close to the real thing, like there's no differences. And once you take off the pull tabs, you are greeted with the AirPod Maxes. But I want to just mention that this serial number actually checks out in settings and on Apple's website as well. And we are greeted with the AirPod Max in midnight color. And first thing you see is the ear cup protectors, which you can put on the AirPod Max themselves to protect the ear cups. And you have the design by Apple in California paperwork. Followed by that, you have the USB-C to USB-C charging cable that is braided, which is a plus. And over to the AirPod Maxes themselves, we can take it out of the smart case, and at the bottom of the AirPod Max you see that it has the indicator light showing that it is trying to pair, and you have the USB-C charging port there as well. And these ear cups are magnetic like the real thing as well, and they have the sensors that know if it's in your ears or not, and you can actually replace this with real Apple ear cups from like real AirPod Maxes or from Amazon, which you can buy. When it comes to pairing these, it's actually easy and one-to-one to the real deal. You take out a smart case and it's going to pop up with a menu, which you just connect and then hold down the button to pair. And once you pair it, it's going to show like lossless audio with USB-C, which doesn't work, and it shows you the battery percentage with the color of the AirPod Maxes themselves. And heading over to the settings of these AirPod Maxes, you can see that it does come with warranty to like next year of March 31st, 2026. And if I also copy that serial number and I also paste it on Apple's website, it does show that as well, which is a pretty cool feature. So let's talk about transparency and ANC. So transparency works flawlessly on these, like I could hear my surroundings and low frequency audios or noises. And when it comes to noise cancellation, it works as well. But yet again, it's not a perfect seal, so I can still hear some noises come through. But spatial audio doesn't work, it just increases the bass of the music, and that's pretty much it when it comes to those features. And using the crown on the AirPod Maxes, you can pause and play, and you can also increase the volume and turn it back down as well. You can also make it go to the next song and back to the previous song as well, so they work how they're supposed to actually work. And they have a satisfying type of feel to them, like how it feels on the Apple Watch. And when you do charge these, the light does come up that it is charging, and once it's done charging, it's going to show green like AirPods and other AirPod Maxes as well. Now let's talk about where you can get these from. I'm going to leave the link down below in the description for these and the store as well. So the one I got was USB-C Midnight with ANC and bracket. Now if you live in the United States, you're going to click United States, as you're going to get it within a week or two. But anywhere else around the world, like for me, I'm in Canada, I pick it from China and I get it within 2 weeks at most. So best part about these is that you can get them customized from the seller, and yet again, USB-C, whatever color you want, with ANC and bracket to get the exact same ones that I do have, as like you get, the best features and the best, build quality of AirPod Maxes from DHGate. Yet again, the links will be down below in the description and in the link tree as well. So when it comes to checking out, you would get sort of like a discount when you use my link, like a few dollars off. And once you do that, you can either use Apple Pay or you can use credit card or Skrill to check out when getting these AirPods. And they're gonna take within a week or two, depending on where you are around the world, at most 2 weeks to get to you, and you'll be able to get the AirPod Maxes shipped to your doorstep as well. Okay, so with all that being said, hope you guys did enjoy this video. All links will be down below in the description. Drop a like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment or reach out to me on my Instagram, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.